Hey everyone, this is Anshka Gupta and welcome to my channel Let's Code and Solve by Newton School. I hope you all been understood the concept of what are the Python except, try not, and finally. Today we're gonna study about what are the different types and different inputs and output program can take out. Okay, before going to that, let's know what is Newton School. So, Newton School is a platform which prepares you for career in tech. It has courses designed for freshers, working professionals, and also for women with non-tech background. Newton School first trains you for 6 months and helps you to become amazing full stack developer. And the best part is that Newton School has a pay after placement program under which you don't have to pay Newton School anything until or unless you are placed with minimum 5 lakh CTC. The companies in which you have been placed are Xiaomi, Misho, CureFit, Topo, 7-Eleven, and many more. Here you can log in and sign up yourself. Now, let's move what is that input and output functions in our Python. So, moving forward, what are the input and output functions? So, literally, we will be starting with the flow chart of how a program is developed and what is the circle of it. So, always and always, a design which is being prepared or a program which is being prepared, it should always have a basic structure of that. Then only we used to write the code in that, and after that we used to have a correct syntax. Okay, so correct syntax, choosing the correct syntax and correct format in that is much more important than like building the pillars of your code. Okay, first of all the structure should be good and your base should be good. After that when you test your program, if it's correct, okay, then it is just a suitable. But if it's not correct or it's just giving some error in that, so it will not execute it, or it will prevent the track errors or the syntax errors in that. Or if it's correct, so it will obviously be correcting them properly. So every time your developer often needs to interact with the user, okay, either to get the proper data or to provide some sort of result to them. So most program, whatever they are being used today, is in a dialog box as a way to asking a user to provide some type of your inputs. Okay, so suppose if I'm being, my name is X and Y Z, someone doesn't want XYZ, so he or she wants to replace it. Okay, so what he will be doing is he will be simply like replacing the input of my name. Okay, that how your Python provides us the two inbuilt functions to read the input from the keyboard, that is the input prompt, and another one is the raw input. So here is it, just to clarify nowadays what happening today in the input function. So just write the hello world. First of all we get the number of input strings and the numbers, then printing the different data types in that. And simple formatting is that the input prompt has been done. So just to print the simple function, that is to display the information to the user, print parentheses of the circular brackets. Now what happens, like as I told you, like there are two functions to get the input to the keyboard, that is the input prompt and the raw prompt. Similarly, in your strings and literals, we have a string sequence of character that is being used colon functions in that. And similarly to the string literals, we have a actual code to be a pair of a program to do some of your destiny or anything, like where your program is to be executed, that is called the string literals. All the Python codes or the string literals are being in a quotation mark, whether it's in single quotation, double quotation, or the triple quotations like that. So numerical data type and the literals, numeric depends upon int and float, and literal depends upon string. So int, we know that it is being, int are being used, integer are being used to store some of the memory to get an int value, and float is to store some of the real values and store some real allocation of your memory in a class defining as a float functions, and float numbers are the functions. So literal is just to get the string literal with the proper indications of where the memory, how much bit or byte of your memory is being allocated to different propositions of your strings. Now reading input of your from the keyboard. Okay, now reading the input from your keyboard as just an syntax to write as a variable to get an input, and it will return some string value. Now what happened in your input prompt, that is that the function first takes the input from the user and then it evaluates the expression, which means the Python automatically identifies whether the user entered a string or number or a listing. Okay, if the user input provided number of or the provided source is not correct, then either syntax gets the error or the exception is raised by the Python. Okay, in the last video only we read about the exceptions in Python, so it will be raising the exceptions in that. So what output it is, like how the raw output is there or raw input is there. So Python can either print the data or it can just get the data at the sequential part. Okay, that doesn't depends upon how your data depends upon or how no not. And the using that output, the simple syntax is to use that the string formatting method. Now how to convert a string? Okay, so you can convert the string by using str or repeat functions, that all the values are being such of the members like list, dictionaries, or any of the representation of the value, either it's in a floating number or in your distinction number. So how the input functions works in Python actually. So whether like when your input function executes or program flows with stopped until the user uh, will give some input to that. So the text and your messages or the display of your output screen, that is used to ask the basic detailing, or that is used to get a prompt that will be printing on your screen with the optional button. So whatever you are being printing or whatever you are being entering the input, so input function convert it into the first of all string. Okay, if you enter a integer, the values of input function converts that value into first of all the string. Okay, now it needs to be explicit whether it's to convert into the integer or any of your code depending upon the typecasting you are being using. Okay, now the second function, the second type of that is the raw input. Okay, it's for raw input. Always and always remember that the older version, that is 2 any of the version 2.x, 2.7, 2.6, 2.5, any of that has been taken, because that function takes at least at least more to convert the string, and it will return the variable in which it is being stored in that. Okay, that how it gonna take it. So let's move to the Newton School platform and test the programs in that as an input as well as the output. Okay, just for knowing that how your input is being done, just to print program showing the input of A using the value of input. So we will be defining the input, enter any, enter your value. Okay, and after that we will be printing the val value. Okay, so we will be printing this value and seeing the output of that. This I am being using in 2.7. okay, so remember that it has to be using 2.7 as exemption of error, any of the error. Now here is your like output to that. Okay, and here my output is there. So see, if I have to get that value as 1 comma 2 comma 3. Okay, now it will be giving you the value of 1 comma 2 comma 3. Okay, suppose if I only needs 2, enter my value only needs to be 2, so it will be giving me the value of 2. because it's actually taking the value in the input section and standardizing that what it has to be printed and how it has to be printed and that. Then moving forward, like suppose if I have to get that the raw output just to print the program as in raw output. Okay, so for that we will be writing a program that g is equals to raw output, yeah, raw input, because input we are being transferring. Now I'll write it, enter your name. Suppose I have to get that, enter your name, and after that when I'll print g, so it will be giving me the output print g. Okay, so here when I'll be writing to like my name is Anshika. Okay, so I have to change the input first of all. So here my name will be occurring as the Anchika in that. So what it happens, like it is only taking the value at the execution point of your raw input, and whenever it's not there or whenever it's there, or the Python uses that because we know that Python allows the input. Okay, this only means that the user will be taking the input in that. The method in a build different than 3.6 rather than 2.7, 2.5. In 3.6 we uses only input method. In 2.7 we use raw input, because those two are different in that. In 3 we use the input, then just a circular that circular bracket, and then 2.7 or any of the two version that has been used as a raw input. Okay, now again moving forward to one more program that will be running on the 3.6. Okay, now if I have to write my username is equals to input, enter username. Okay, enter username, just like that. I don't need any of that, any other thing. Now if I write print my username is, and again if I have to, sorry, if I have to write it, print username and according to the parenthesis, okay, plus again the username. Okay, so what it will be giving me the value, first of all I have to check the version of it. It's 3.6 or 3 point any version of your 3 part. So I have to write it here, Newton School, and over here we use the input and over there we use the raw input. So it will be giving me the value as the input value, that is Newton School. Same have right over here the raw input. Okay, now if I wrote here the raw input, and again I have to print it, but it will give me the input but it will not give me any of the output, because the raw value it needs a second version, and over here third version is there. Well, I'll select the second version, so again I run it. So here again the value will be the Newton School. Again if I just write hello, how are you, how are you doing, so it will be giving the value of hello, how are you doing. So in remember 2 point, like any of the version of it, 2 second it is the raw input, and even in the third it is the simple input. I hope it has been clear to you. So thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel, like and like the video. Thank you. Stay tuned.